Hello everyone and welcome to our channel, the Xanadu Chronicles. I'm Frank and it's time for another episode of Awesome Tip Tuesday. Because most of us don't have kitchens the size of a studio apartment, complete with endless options for storage, we've got to work with what most of us do have, extra closets. It's time to take these modest spaces and make them work harder than their designated purpose. With a little planning, a trip to your local big box hardware store, and some elbow grease, you can make organizing those extra bulky items you use a dream. By purchasing simple, heavy-duty adjustable shelving, you can merchandise your cookware and appliances in a way that allows for easy access and storage. Add a light if your closet doesn't already have one to make your life even easier. Put appliances on inexpensive plastic trays for easy retrieval and return. But don't stop there. Make sure to use up your floor space as well. Refillable bins for things like rice and dog food help to keep the critters out, and simply putting items like cooking oil and vinegar directly on the floor in those last remaining spaces just makes sense. So scout out the nearest closet and start imagining what your inner Julia would use it for and get to cooking. If you haven't seen our previous videos, click on the links and watch away. Please share, like, and most importantly, subscribe to our channel. We'll do our best to keep you entertained and coming back for more. Bye for now.